What's up guys, welcome and welcome back to another bass fishing video. Today we're out in the kayak with a couple friends, chasing some Foster Lake smallmouth bass in Sweet Home, Oregon. I like keeping intro short, so with that said, let's find out what smallmouth we're biting on today. And remember, like and subscribe.
Pretty good. How you doing? Bad? You guys catch anything yet? Already? Yeah, that's good. That's where Tony was catching it last time too. There's a bunch of them right here. Yeah, it was chilly. It's still chilly. This is Tony's jacket. I didn't even bring a jacket. You're not using it. Matt's already got 5. He's going home. Huh? Matt's already got 5. Matt got 5 already. Squawfish. One squawfish. Alright. I'm gonna hit the edge with the water squawfish.
I am using the River to Sea Whopper Plopper and Bone Color, the 110, and I ran that entire side with that Whopper Plopper and didn't get any blowups or a single bite. The water temp was at 62.
Did a pull on it, and you guys wanted me to throw this first for the first 20 minutes, and I've been throwing it and it hasn't been catching anything. The water is kind of cold today. It's at 62. We're after smallmouth bass and largemouth bass. Hopefully we can stay away from the squawfish today. We're gonna keep throwing this for maybe another 5 minutes. I'm gonna call it, switch to something else. Might throw a finesse jig around for a little bit. Yo. Nah. I just got a finesse jig right now. Just bouncing on bottom. I think it's gonna be a really slow day right now. I think the other one died deeper.
Like crazy carrying over here on his yak. Just, hey, what's the equivalent of what's the guy carrying? Is that a Kyle?
I guess. I don't have more dive stick.
I got a couple cranks if you want to.
Nah, I'm good. I don't need your shit. I don't need you. I'm better. I'm stronger.
Back and forth, we're just like scout press.
Oh. Only one way to save this one. Cut it.
Oh man.
Oh, I think I put my feet first in the back. Unless
There was one right there. It just swam up. Yep, perfect count.
where there's one, there's 20.
I think it's too cold, bro.
Yeah, I think jigging.
I think jigging and drop shotting is what it's gonna be. Until it warms up a bit.
It's getting warmer a little bit, It's at 62 right now.
I don't know, my tempo always runs higher than yours, so.
It's probably 64 or something.
It is.
Oh, I got one. I didn't even know I had him.
Get him
Finesse jig, bro.
Swim jig?
Finesse jig.
Finesse or
Yeah, finesse jig. The little seaman one we always use.
little seaman?
The little seaman one. First fish of the day.
I like those Z-Man ones.
Oh, we can see it. Look at all those parasites. That's a long fish.
Dude, they have a lot of parasites on them, dude. Last time we were here, too.
It's quite a long fish. Tournament winner right here.
What a long fish you got there.
Little fishy. Oh, in the boat. Just going nutsers. Easy, buddy. Easy. Get out of here.
Wow, you're pretty violent there, buddy.
Dude. Guy would not stop flopping. Hey. There's a ball of bait right here.
I've seen it.
You see it?
Mm-hmm.
That's huge. I've never seen one that big. So big. Got him. Oh yeah, that's a fish. I didn't even know I had him on, dude. You can't even feel the bites right now.
What do you, drop shot?
Yeah.
Oh, wacky
Wacky rig drop shot. That was a good one. Not super huge, but little guy. Oh, I think it was a guy.
Matt got one? You got one, Matt?
I think so.
Nice. Must be nice.
Oh, dude, he spit out a minnow.
Oh, dude, you know, one of the fish that I caught on my video, I didn't even notice. The little guy was like,
Oh, he still has it in his mouth. Let's see what it is. Let's see what he does. He has a little minnow in his mouth. Match the hatch, bro. Oops. If I can find my pliers.
what's hatching right now?
We're gonna find out. Stay tuned for another episode of Match the Hatch. I'll put it back, guy, okay?
You're like, ugh. Probably little, just little like minnows, dude.
Yeah, a little minnow. That's what he had in his mouth. There you go. Put that back in there for you. There you go. That's what we caught him on, that yum dinger. 3-inch yum dinger. Oh, I got one. Feels like a better one. This one got some head shakes to it. Oh my god, that's a nice fish, bro. So nice.
Not that big.
It's so big. Yeah. Nice one. You know what I said.
I got one finally. It's the biggest one I've ever seen, dude. Israel.
Is that a crappie? Bluegill?
Oh gosh. I'm on board. I'm on the board.
Give it up for Tony.
Look at that. It's as big as my bait. I've had a lot of them.
Yeah, I think they're like lice or something. That's the nicest one today.
Could be light.
Measure them. Good old 14 inches. 14 incher right here.
You want some yerba?
I want some yerba. Good luck drink, brother.
Huh?
It's our good luck drink. We always catch fish when we drink these.
I don't know what's wrong with me.
Got him.
Oh, you got him. You got him.
Dude, I was actually playing. And I took the hook and he was on there. Not even lying.
This guy's a bullshit liar, and he got one.
Look at that. What the heck? I was just joking,
Piece
bro.
of trash.
I was just joking. Oh my god, look. My worm got the parasites. I'm just kidding, it's the
You're like, they're spreading.
Look at the little guy.
Do we got a double up? Do we got a double up?
Dude, I was just joking. This guy was on it. Got another one.
Fish on?
Yeah.
We got another one, guys. He's doing wonders for us.
Woo! Throw this guy in the frying pan.
We've got time to try on something new.
I know, it's starting to get, I don't know, man.
Oh, come on,
Well,
buddy.
this guy's still doing something.
How many are you up to now?
Like 4 or 5.
Okay.
Still got one. I'm proud of that one.
I'm at 3, and then I lost one at the boat because I was lazy when it came to net.
Oh, there we go.
You got one?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Come on, real faster.
Nice rocks over there.
Yeah.
What sauce you throwing? Drop shot?
Yeah, it's a drop shot.
He's wacky rigging it. He's a freaking, like, he's got all this MacGyver stuff going on, man.
Wacky rig drop shot.
Yeah. GoPro, stop recording.
We're tossing the throwing hatch and spin right now. A little heavy lure, small, but heavy. Hope get down to depth a little quicker. Drop shot real quick. Already know what to do. I don't know what they are though. Oh, I got some. It's a nice one. Cast it right on him. It's actually a good one, bro. It's actually fighting pretty good. Yeah. It's not big, but it's definitely like 12-incher. There we go. Another one, number 2. That's decent size. Got a bunch of little guys. This is the second one, just came on that little yum dinger. Measure them real quick. Last one was 14. A little 12-incher. 12 and a quarter, pretty much. Not bad. This guy, I tossed it right on him because he picked it up right away.
After that last catch, the fishing really slowed down in the back, so we made our way to the front of Foster Reservoir.
I got one. Notice. See, I didn't even know he was on, bro.
See how it works?
The bite is not even there. It's
I
just,
didn't even know it was on.
you don't even know you have a fish on right now.
Sure didn't.
It's just the way it is right now. I felt that bite it. Pretty decent, I think. I can actually feel a head shake from this guy. I wonder what it feels like to do that. Oh yeah. The little guy here is good. It's fighting size, but still got a little bit of fight in him.
Isn't that so fun?
For this little guy, probably like 7 inches. God, bro, you should try it.
That was pretty much the last fish I caught this fishing trip at Foster Reservoir, or lake, whichever you like to call it. But if you liked the video, make sure you give it a like,
Well, I actually
leave a
felt the bite on
comment,
that one,
and subscribe. And I'll catch
All
you
the other
guys
fish I've
on the
caught,
next
no
video.
bite.
Peace.